The front and rear sonar system helps detect obstacles at the front and rear corners of the vehicle. The system detects objects in the front when the shift lever is placed into the drive or neutral position. The system detects objects in both the front and rear when the shift lever is placed in the reverse position. The system automatically deactivates at speeds above 6 miles per hour and reactivates when the speed drops below 6 miles per hour. When the object is detected, the indicator appears and the tone sounds intermittently. As the object gets closer, the indicator changes color and the tone will increase. When an object is very close to the vehicle, the indicator changes color again and the tone will sound continuously. When the audible alert is active, press this button to disable it. To adjust the sonar settings or enable or disable the system, use these controls to select settings. Driver assistance, parking assist, then the item you wish to adjust. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.